Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal Aizat bin Rozaimi, and my number matric is CA23070. And I would like to present our project talking about FedEx. So here is our group member. So as you can see, me, Muhammad Haikal Aizat bin Rozaimi, as a project manager, and then we got a system analyst, which is Nur Asma Auni binti Muhammad Nazri, and then we got programmer, which is Adam bin Muhammad Azlahan, and then lastly we got a tester, which is Anis Zarifah binti Talib. So here we got table of content, which is we got eight of them, and each person need to participate each 2 of content. So we got case study and user interface. Next, introduction of website, functional and non-functional requirement, user interface design principle, unique factor, software engineering environment, and type of verification, validation technique, and lastly reference. So I would like to explain our case study. The FedEx Courier website is an online website granted for customers who require shipping and logistical service. Online shipping management make it possible for customers to easily arrange shipment and track product in real time. This website has with it a calculating tool for shipping price, travel time estimate, as well as provide customer documentation necessary for export of goods from the country. There are other available choices, including managing their accounts, finding customer care service so that they can attend to all questions they have and solve any require that arise, besides obtaining billing information. FedEx Courier site offer user many possibilities and instinctive design that enable them to control deliveries up to the point of delivery.
This is the main user interface for FedEx website.
So I would like to present introduction of the website. So for the first one is the objectives of the portal. This is a web-based software portal aimed to deliver exceptional financial return for its shareholder by ordering valuable logistic transportation and related service through specialized operating companies. Next, we got Info Service. Many Info Service of FedEx is a global courier delivery service company. It is one of the largest package delivery company in the world by providing a range of transportation. Next, we got a software engineering involvement. Software engineering plays an essential role in the creation and maintenance of complex digital portals such as the FedEx portal to meet a demand of large traffic volumes. Now we go to functional requirement. One of the service provided on the website, as you can see the diagram, this page provides a complete overview of recent activity in your account, including an up-to-date balance and list of all open, past due, and closed invoice. User can log into their account.
FedEx Courier website gives a lot of customer service options to assist users with their shipping needs and inquiries. They give help to the customer through live chat or email support. A FAQ also provided, and the user also can chat with the virtual assistant for fast answer and frequently asked questions.
Hello, my name is Adam Azlahan. My matric ID CA23006. So I will explain about my functional requirement. The FedEx website system will inform the customer about the shipping of the purchased goods. User will receive email or SMS notification regarding important updates on their shipments, such as delivery status change or delays. That it will help customer know about the whereabouts of their item without having to worry about losing them.
Hi, my name is Anis Zarifah binti Talib, matric ID 23009. I'm going to explain about functional requirement based on the picture. So based on the interface displayed on FedEx website, the web page can display image and icon that contain information about the information services that are provided to user by FedEx. Many icons can help the user to understand the web page well, and the icon is also familiar to the user. Thus, the user can view all the information about tracking and shipping the parcel and the provided services on one web page.
Next, for non-functional requirement. So for non-functional requirement is we try to providing transparent privacy rule. So other user cannot see our transaction, and managing personal information responsibility, as they can log in and log out their FedEx account freely. Next, we got secure payment gateway used on the platform when there are financial transaction to safeguard customer financial information when transaction online.
The FedEx website shall be designed to handle a high volume of shipment tracking and also customer inquiries. It to ensure a quick response time when submitting queries. It also could satisfy FedEx customer with the fast and efficient response system. So the FedEx website should able to handle a large scale global, as the number of FedEx customer is vast.
Next, I will explain about my 9 functional requirement. First, the notification should responding quickly to user requests and providing notification. Simultaneous notification requests all should be spotted without causing a noticeable drop in performance. For the notification system to handle an increasing volume of notification and user base, it must be scalable. Last, the system should be able to manage the increased load without sacrificing performance as FedEx ship more parcel.
For non-functional requirement, the system should be able to load the web page faster. This is because the system takes time to load all the image and icon on the web page. Also, some of the icons do not even respond after clicking them. Even some of the icons respond, but it takes time to load the information. Improving performance in this area is essential to enhance the user experience and ensure efficient access to information and services. For user interface design principle, first, for user familiarity, the interface should use terms and concepts which are drawn from experience of the people who will make most use of the system, such as store icons, to know about the store location. Next, for user guidance, the interface should provide meaningful feedback when errors occur and provide context-sensitive user to help facilities such as customer service icons. For user diversity, FedEx make it easy for users that have difficulties in languages. To make it easier, FedEx provides many languages. This feature is essential in ensuring that a wide range of users can effectively navigate the site and utilize its services. Lastly, consistency. The consistency of this interface make it easier for users to log into their FedEx account. The interface has a simple and clean design, with a clear and prominent section for entering user credentials.
So next question is a unique factor that can be harm to our project development. So one of the biggest challenge as a project manager is the FedEx has faced in the projecting size is too large. It will increase demand for salary payment because too much staff that work for the company. This problem will affect the budget of the project, then it will increase the risk of failure in the project for long term. Sometimes communication might be harmful to our project because it will affect the environment in the working station. Therefore, as a project manager, need to do some toolbox meeting, which is a pep talk, some motivational motivational support to our team in the project. So to prevent this kind of problem is conducting data analysis and reporting on project performance. As a FedEx project manager, must prioritize our employee welfare. Then, as a project manager, need to work with the project team to ensure documentation, supporting material, and project plan are updated and ready, available for internal teams and senior leader. However, as the project manager need to give a reward to employee for the work the company, because it will give the good environment at working stage.
Thus, the influencing project management is software development process. Software development process require analysis, design, implementation, evaluation, and deployment. As a system analyst, I have to design project, ensure service delivery, and achieve the objective of the project as outlined in legally binding contract and user requirement. Developing software for FedEx website is highly complicated process that needs detailed organizational preparation.
Influencing project management. As a programmer, one significant factor influencing project management that can potentially hinder project development is the size of the software being developed. As a programmer, I need to discover a useful technique for calculating the size of software. This measure can precisely assess an application's complexity by concentrating on the features and functionalities that a user can access and utilize. One factor of software size that can harm our project is operational scale. FedEx has an extensive global network of delivery warehouse and distribution centers. As a programmer, I should consider scalability when designing software solutions to meet the expanding demand on FedEx website system. Other than that, other factor of software size that can harm our project is complexity of integration. The new software must integrate with FedEx previously existing system and database. As a programmer, I should start by thoroughly examining the current database and system.
So, one of the factors influencing project management that may harm my project development as a tester is software type. What is software type? Software type refers to the category and specific functionalities of the software being developed. In project management, the type of software significantly impacts the testing approach and potential risks that can fail the project development. So, the tester must identify during the testing phase. The software type can affect various aspects of the testing and validation process, such as required testing technique, testing environment, and test data. Each software type has unique testing needs.
Next, I will explain about software engineering environment. Based on our case study, the software environment possibly apply its testing environment. So I will explain about 5 software engineering environment differentiation factor. The first factor is goal. The aim is the first differentiating feature is in the software engineering environment. The purpose of testing environment is to perform functional testing on the FedEx website system. Tracking customer assistance, opening an account, and all shipping services, including shipping tools, prices and transit dates, packaging and shipping supplies, and the ability to plan and organize pickup is what FedEx offer to the customer. Second factor is teams. Testing team will be team in charge of this testing phase. The team is tasked with developing system and applications that need to be tested, developing and executing. Third, tools. The functional tools that can apply or user is a test complete. Using test completes enable the test team to do cross-process testing to ensure the consistency of the FedEx website system. Next, location. The dedicated server utilized for this testing environment phase is referred to as the location. Adhering to the rules could determine where testing settings are set up. And lastly, generality. It refers to how easily and adaptably the environment can be used to test a variety of applications, technology, and testing scenarios.
Static verification techniques are used to analyze and prove properties about programs before they are executed. Purpose of static verification to identify bugs, catching flaws before software execution saving time and resources. This is because projects like back-end website which require real-time tracking and secure user account management. It might be expensive, but such review turned out to be cost-effective because they minimize defects. For dynamic verification, is a type of software testing that is concerned with exercising and observing product behavior. Purpose of the dynamic verification is to confirm that the product works like how it wanted to be with the business requirement. It involves executing of the software and validating the output with the expected outcome. Dynamic verification helps to provide accurate quality, reliability assessment and review runtime errors. For validation, we choose user acceptance testing because it helps determine if the FedEx system is ready for approval and use by customer. Before the process, system and unit testing must be completed with no major defects and test cases should be prepared. The process begins with client are given instruction, perform tests and provide feedback to developers. The purpose of this process are to ensure the system is defect-free, meets customer need, also to ensure the FedEx website handles tracking, shipping and support effectively.